YouTube Shorts can make money through views, but it's not a huge amount. An average of 9-10 cents is earned per 1,000 views. To make a substantial income, like $33,000 a month, you'd need around 30 million views. This might sound daunting, but if you understand how YouTube Shorts work, it's achievable. First, choose a topic you're passionate about and can talk about. You'll need to upload consistently, ideally once a day. The content should be something you can add commentary to, but you don't need to show your face or use your voice. Text-to-speech tools can help here. For visuals, you can use free images or AI-generated visuals. Just make sure to avoid copyrighted material. To keep your shorts engaging, add captions and use different images throughout the video. The key to a successful short is the storytelling. You can follow a simple template, start with a hook, then introduce the topic. Present a problem or conflict, and end with a resolution or punchline. You'll need a voiceover, which can also be generated using text-to-speech. Tools and background music from YouTube's audio library to avoid copyright issues. Once you have all the elements, you can edit them together using a free video editor like Capwing. A successful example is the Bodybuilding Beast channel, which uploads simple shorts daily and has gained millions of views in a short time. To check if a video is monetized, look for the Super Thanks option on the video page. Once you start earning money, you can reinvest in your channel to improve its quality and grow your audience further. In summary, making money from YouTube Shorts is possible with consistency, engaging content, and understanding the platform's algorithms.